Wow. They're sailing boat in a misty day, and they cannot budge because there's no wind and it's pretty chilly. Wow, 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 wow. Here's a group of people walking. I came here like 2 hours ago, and yeah, one boat maybe is moving a bit, but hardly any move. Yes, not so easy to see anything. You can see when you go a little bit, it's gotten clear and nice, but when we try to see a little bit further, we're gonna see what a misty day. Wow, this is awesome. Here's a group of old ladies yapping and yapping behind me. Why not? Friendship and good time together. Hopefully you have a nice sunny day somewhere, wherever you watch my video, and thank you for coming. Aronnelife.